Hello everyone, this is Shreya here. I welcome all of you on this occasion of International Yoga Day. Today I am going to teach you how to do Paschimottanasana. Basically, Paschimottanasana is a sitting pose. Before that, I will chant Omkar. Now, I will come in Sthiti. First, sit in Dandasana like this. Then relax for a while in Shitila Dandasana. After that, again come in Dandasana. Always keep your toes together. Now, what many people do, they hold their big toes and they make the arc of their upper back like this. Don't do like this. It will not going to work. You will able to touch your toes, but it will not take your head to your knees. It will always hurt your back. Now I will show you how to do this pose. First, keep your both hands beside your body. Keep your hamstrings straight. Tuck your quadricep inside. Suck your belly inside. Stretch your body. Extend your chest. With inhalation, stretch your hand upside. Keep your sternum straight, keep your spine straight, and then with exhalation, move forward. With exhalation, move forward. With exhalation, move forward. If you are here, no problem. By practicing, you will be able to move forward like this from your lower back. Don't move from your upper back like this. Always move from your lower back like this. Then touch your toes, hold your toes, and then with exhalation, keep your head on your knees. Let the gravity do its own work. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Now, with inhalation, come up. Your both hands straight and then beside your body. Again, I will show you. Take your hands upside, stretch, and then secondly, move forward with exhalation, move forward with exhalation, then grab your big toes and then take your head on your knees. Relax your shoulders and your neck. Then with inhalation, come up. As I have made a deep forward bend, I will do a complementary yoga pose for this to relax my back. Keep your hands beside your body like this and lift up your body with using your hands. Come in Sthiti. This is a Purvottanasana. This is a complementary yoga pose for Paschimottanasana. Now, after doing this pose, your hamstring will get a good stretch. It will open up your hamstring and your hamstring will be flexible. And also, as we are making a deep forward bend, it will fold our stomach. As we are sucking our stomach in, it will give a good massage to our abdominal organ, and it will release pancreatic juice and also other juices in your stomach, and it will increase their function. Also, it is good for diabetic patient. Also, it is good for kidney function disorder patient. Also, it is good for the patient suffering from swelling in their intestine. Also, it is good for the female who are suffering from their menstrual cycle disorder or any menstrual disorder. Now, as we are moving forward, our belly is folding. It is also good to release our belly fat. So, try to move forward from your lower back, so that you need to take the support of your core muscles and your quadricep. Your quadricep will be inside, your belly will be inside. No matter what is the size of your belly, you can make this pose easily if you are moving forward from your lower back. Now, who should not do this pose? The patient suffering from sciatica, spondylitis, slip disc, or any recent abdominal surgery should not do this pose. I hope you guys have understood the video. Thanks for watching this video. Namaste.